Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce to you a project of an electronic workshop in Chuzhou that was produced and installed by our company. This project uses composite insulation fiber fabric ducts. The main ducts of the ducts are of flat round type, while the branch ducts are of circular type. Both the inner and outer layers of the ducts are made of AR level fireproof fabric, and the middle layer is made of BE level rubber insulation cotton. The installation method of the ducts is hidden sliding rod suspension. The color of the ducts is gray. The rubber insulation ducts can effectively prevent the penetration of water vapor, avoid condensation on the surface of the ducts, and protect the electronic equipment and products in the workshop from being affected by moisture.